Nearly everyone I know who drives ATVs has broken a brake handle or two at some point. In my case, I've broken 2 or 3, and 2 of those I've broken twice. And nearly all the brake handles I've seen have all broken in the same spot, near this little triangular piece that it pivots on, right along this edge. All I did to fix this one was take a sawzall, cut down the inside of the handle for 1.5 inches or so, and then fit in a piece of steel that was the same thickness as that little triangular piece. Then all I did was clamp it and rivet it tight with a couple of nails. Then it was a simple matter of tracing the old triangular piece and grinding down the steel piece to the same shape. I used a caliper to drill as snug a hole as I could around the bolt so it doesn't pivot and wiggle as much, and then bolted the handle back on. For this specific handle, one of the 2 that I've broken twice, I cut 2 rectangular pieces that will fit on either side of the handle, which broke where the steel ended from the first time fixing it. I'll use 2 of the holes from the first riveting to hold this piece onto. Then I'll drill 2 more holes farther up the handle for 2 more rivets. So all I'm doing is sandwiching the handle between 2 pieces of steel and riveting it tight. Here's the finished handle. I didn't use some very good steel for mine, so, I don't really care what it looks like so long as it works. So all I did was fit it back on, tighten the cables, and I'm ready to go.